Hi Lee, how you doing?
I'm getting ready for hurricane. We're ready.
And what are you doing to get ready?
Having a rum and coke, and eating chalupas and chocolate, and all that good stuff.
And
Do it. Yes.
Lee,
Yay!
why have you foolishly
Stayed on the
ignored the advice of the officials in this town?
Going to the evacuation center and sleeping and getting probably lice from these people. You know
So basically the lice?
It's the lice. It's the lice factor, and the fact that they won't let you go out and smoke cigarettes while the hurricane's going on. You know what I mean?
But you don't smoke cigarettes.
It's an idea. It's my civil liberty right. If I want to smoke a cigarette, even though I don't smoke a cigarette, I should be able to do it. They won't you do that. It's as simple as that. It's the cigarettes. The lice and the cigarettes. Okay?
Live from Melbourne, you have the... There you have it.